You're spending hundreds on premium soaps, only to destroy your paint every single wash. Most scratches happen right here, and today I'm showing you the only 5 towels that will save your car. Welcome to Auto Rift, let's get into it. We're starting right at the beginning of the wash process. Most people reach for a standard wash mitt, but we are upgrading to the Rapid Dry Towel's Mach 2 Speed Car Wash Towel. Why a towel instead of a mitt? Surface area and safety. This chenille microfiber washcloth is absolutely massive. Instead of taking 10 passes to wash your hood, you can cover the entire thing in just 2 or 3 glides. It's not just about speed, it's about protecting your clear coat. The premium chenille microfiber holds up to 10 times its weight in soapy water, creating a massive cushion of suds that traps dirt deep inside, rather than dragging it across your paint. Safe on paint, chrome, and matte finishes. Wash more, rinse less. Alright, your car is spotless. Now comes the most dangerous part, drying. This is where 90% of scratches happen. You need to get the water off the paint fast with 0 pressure. Enter the absolute beast, the Blackline Twisted Loop Car Drying Towel. If you are still using a leather chamois, you are living in the past. This towel is 2 feet by 3 feet of pure water-absorbing magic. Packing a massive 1,300 grams per square meter, it uses advanced twisted loop technology to glide flawlessly over your clear coat. But wait, it gets crazier. This single towel can absorb up to an entire gallon of water. You literally just lay it flat, pull it across the surface, and boom! 0 water spots, 0 streaks, 100% dry in one pass. It's the last drying towel you'll ever buy. Now that the exterior is bone dry, we step inside the cabin. Interiors require a completely different approach. A heavy plush exterior towel is just going to leave lint everywhere. For the interior, we are using the SPTA Car Interior Scrubbing Ninja Sponges. These aren't your typical microfiber towels. They are perfectly sized, dual-sided detailing pads that fit right in the palm of your hand. One side features a specialized soft scrub material. Pair this with your favorite interior cleaner and it aggressively agitates dirt trapped deep inside your leather or dashboard without scratching. Once you've lifted the grime, just flip the pad over to the ultra-fine microfiber side to wipe away the residue perfectly clean. You can cycle through them for your doors, seats, and console, then just throw them in the wash. Alright, the interior is looking fresh, but if you leave streaks on the windshield, your entire detail job is ruined. Glass requires something totally different. To get crystal clear, invisible glass, you need the Rag Company Diamond Weave Glass and Window Towel. The secret here is a completely flat, non-plush weave. If a towel is fluffy, it holds too much chemical and leaves lint behind. This premium towel features a unique snakeskin-like diamond texture. This dirt-gripping surface cuts right through road film and bug splatter. Pro tip, use these slightly damp. Spray glass cleaner directly onto one towel to scrub and use a second dry diamond weave towel to buff it flawless. Absolutely 0 lint every single time. Finally, we arrive at the finish line. The paint is clean, the glass is perfect, but now it's time to lay down protection. This is the moment your paint is most vulnerable to micro-marring. For the final buff of your waxes or ceramic coatings, you need the highest quality microfiber on the market, the Rag Company Eagle Edgeless 500. This is a 100% South Korean super plush towel. The most important feature? It is completely edgeless and tagless. There is no hard stitching to accidentally scratch your clear coat. Packing over 500,000 fibers per square inch, it gently pulls off cured polishes while leaving a breathtaking gloss behind. It gets softer with every wash, ensuring your final buff is always pristine. If you want to detail like a pro, upgrading your towels is step 1. I've dropped the direct Amazon links to all 5 of these top-tier towels in the description below. Before you go, I want to know, what kind of towel are you currently using to dry your car? Let me know down in the comments. If this video helped you save your paint, smash that like button, subscribe to Auto Rift, and I will see you in the next one. Keep it clean!